Ekwesịrị ịga Zion because of Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Anti, they play. Unu show these guys ya no uno into whichever group unu show. Now still the same WhatsApp group. Ema ife melugi jiwe bido jebe Zion. Ogechi Okeke Njaka melugi jiwe jebe Zion. Ogechi Okeke Njaka yejiwe melu ekwusi je Zion. To crown it all, iwe kwuo that Ogechi Okeke Njaka has caused so much pain to all Zionites. How has she caused so much pain to you Zionites? Yeah? Ijele did not stop you from going to Zion. Onyobodo did not stop you from going to Zion. Matthias did not stop you from going to Zion. Onyamuma Renji did not stop you either from going to Zion. All the people that have spoken ill about Zion ministry, all the people that have pointed one accusation or the other against Evangelist Ebukobi, Eboyi's son, and the rest of them, did not stop you from going to Zion. All our brothers scattered all over the world, some of them that always speak ill of Evangelist Ebukobi, comparing Nigeria Zion ministry with Bendo Shahano, did not stop you from going to Zion. No Evangelist Ebukobi, I mean, no Ogechi Okeke Njaka, Melugu, Ekwesije Zion. Iweje masisi ya ukwende Zion, dona moto umasi ya nke dununo, umekenelu no ngune bele. Mekenelu no ngune bele. Yeah? Menu no ngune bele. Yeah? You people can claim to be anything. You know what? Mandesre ona Zion hancha nile awo ufodu n'ime ha Evangelist Ebukobi awona spiritual father ha. But because of Ogechi, has a follow nife ife niile awo. Oh, the only thing ono chodebelo ke Evangelist Ebukobi mo nde Zion puta kwuo na ha refuse to go. No, Ogechi is not part of them. That Ogechi is not speaking for them. The only thing no cholo can the Zion put a disclaimer that no Ogechi is not speaking for them, that Ogechi is not part of them. Eme haya saga material on aduredi meruno ngune bele madam Zionite in a Zion. Onweho any true Zionite, no true Zionite. This is Empire Yukuke, and I am saying it again. No true Zionite will ever hate Zion. And you are a true Zionite. Money hate Ogechi Okeke Njaka that is speaking up for Zion. You hated Ogechi, but you love those who are speaking against Zion ministry. If only you just examine anything. Personal lifestyle Ogechi, does it have anything to do with you? Are you perfect? How can personal lifestyle Ogechi chase you away from where you know that there is salvation, where you know you can get your salvation, where you know you can get your healing, where you know you can get your breakthrough? Or where will Ogechi? Okay, those people who are speaking against Zion, Zion, no Ogechi, may defend the Zion. Na go puta Zion na kan de cholo ka hatipia oko Zion. Ogechi wonye melugo ka ekwusi je Zion. Iweje owewuru na personal ogonya na je park na anulo onwe ha wonya ye mekwasigu ijedebe Zion ministry. So owo na mo wo a Zionite. Ikekwana nso na one of the admin of the Zion. Let us say that now a popular Zion member ama ewe njezuo hi somewhere ewe jidem we gba na screen na mu jelohi. Ekwusi Zion because of me. Mekenelu no nwu na ebele. Melu no nwu na ebele. Melu no nwu na ebele na asina gbalagbala feloko wala ala. Gbalagbala feloke wala ala. Una na recruit nwu na change yari nem. Kunu si ada no na scream. Na tukutuku ga so boldly. You have never been a Zion member. You have never been a Zion member. Let me tell you the honest truth. You have never been a Zion member. Even to pronounce Alpha Evangelist Ebukobi na-esigi ike n'ọnụ, but ese no a Zion member ka ewu. A recruit unu chịkọta unu na live broadcast gasị unu. Operation Disassociate Ogechi from Zion. Operation Disassociate Ogechi from Zion. Ogechi is just a human being like you who sees potential in Zion ministry, who sees salvation in Zion ministry. It is her own opinion. It is her own opinion. It is personal opinion to choose to belong to any ministry. Yes, that is her own. That's why he's will decide a Zion member. Ogechi will decide a Zion member. And unfortunately for you, Evangelist Ebukobi cannot come and say that na etu anno keda or we na a Zion member. When they speak, mfonye na koto Zion ministry and confront onya. How are you expecting a ministry to come out and say that I am not speaking for them? If I am their member, who says I cannot speak for them? Do I need the permission of Evangelist Ebukobi or Zion ministry before I can defend my ministry anywhere? I am asking you. It's more like I'm flowing na koto my father. And confront onya na koto my father. Do I really need the permission of my dad before I can confront the person na koto? It doesn't make sense. Me being his son automatically empowers me to defend his name wherever the need occurs. So even anybody in Zion will right anywhere to rise up and defend the name of your daddy, defend the name of your ministry, defend the name of your pastor. Being a Zion member alone empowers you to do so. You don't even need anybody to authorize you. You don't even need anybody to tell you go and do this. If you don't want to do it, good, it's fine for you. You can stay and watch it. But naturally, you cannot stop that person. Because in the allegation, label Evangelist Ebukobi, a don't say and camel. Man, allegation Nina Heboliye, Emehoki, Jedebe Zion. No, nye potassium, na an allegation and Nina Heboliye was Nyameluku Ekusi Zion. On every a Zion member. You are not a Zion member. You are not a Zion member. You want to go? Forget it, Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Ogechi force or bia na Facebook. All the things in that level on which allegation can a level on what a level behave Evangelist Ebukobi. Can you tell me which allegation on a Facebook about assistance bread of life who bully no mother? Is it not now? Can you the highest allegation he mother, if not that of Igbo mother? Ebuge no mother. N'ihu ka ị na-ebe a na-eme plan ka ekwuo na ọdakpuru mmadụ and onye ajere iwepụ nwa nwụọ weda na ha si na-egwuregwu ka ọ na egwuregwu n'ihu ka a sịrị gị ụfọdụ ekwugo na ọ na-akpọ ntu ka ọ ghara iwukwo na ekwuru na ebe anya ụba na-akpọ ntu onye ọ na-agba n'elu ekwukwa anaha na Ebukobi na-akpọ ntu ha ekwugo ya n'ihu ha ebe a ka a nọ wee kwuo kpọọ ya onye ohi ijele kpọrọ ya onye ohi a lot of them kpọrọ ya onye ohi ụfọdụ kpọrọ ya onye wayo ụfọdụ kpọrọ ya onye arinji kele afa dị mfe aha na-akpọ akpọbụghị Evangelist Ebukobi. It did not stop you from going to Zion. Na onye pụtazi elu na-agbaghị na ife niile ahụ na-ekwu maka this man na-asị ka ọwụ onye ahụ melugu ka ijedebe Zion jee meelu na onwu na ebere na ụfọdụ asị ọrụ na-abịa sị na Facebook a na-eme unu na-eluku so funny anti-Zion ministry ị na-eje Zion ministry mụ na-eche na-eji ụbụrụ ụnụ ama ọnụ na-eche na ụbụrụ ụnụ ka eji welu kọmputa ụbụrụ eke unu bụcha una recruit onwe ụnụ onye pụta asịghị agba m ụnụ na m fụrụ onye nke mma na everyday mekwute n'okwu Evangelist Ebukobi ọtọdụ nnonu yes ọtọdụ nnonu nye aka m fụrụ ebe ọ na-ede na Evangelist Ebukobi wu spiritual father but na because of Ogechi na ọ hazie get involved n'ife gbasara unu echedo n'ụnụ na-agwụ mmadụ unu amụgo na 21st century ka anọ kịta unu akache na anọ na stone age bụrụ stone age experience unu apụọ here. This is 21st century. You think in form of protest for people who don't like Zion ministry, for people who has never been to Zion, for people who don't even know where Zion ministry are. When they recruit they claim Zion members. No Jimaka. All the time with this issue, people now watch Zion online. Keep on increasing. People now watch it. People now watch the program on the Zion online. Keep on increasing. Every day, increase. Every day, increase. You got to go. In order na chagari anya. Onwe no bosi abia Zion ministry space. Don't them madu kana abia n'oge ka ha wee nweta oche ebe ha ya no. Ebiakwa late. Ịnọrọkwa ebe ndị bịa late no. So what has changed? Oyeji wee wolongo. Nkwom na-ewi mana ofu onye abịa hafịa nkwọ Nnewi ọma na ofu onye abịa afịa o wee wuruzie ebe ife niile na-abịa afịa bịa afịa nọ an intruder no somewhere na-achọ ka o wepụta onwe ifelu unu na-eme m ka onye ọhụrụ esi wee pụta subudiri na Facebook na-anyaghasị ọnụ ifele ahụ emedo unu amụọ nọ n'ifele ahụ eme unu. You took your personal hatred for somebody wòlíì ewepụta omegi na exhibit a kind of behavior ma agọta anywhere because you hate Ogechi. What has life Ogechi got to do with your experience in Zion? I am asking you. What was it Ogechi who brought you to Zion? How can it be conduct to Ogechi that will take you out of Zion? But you choose to align yourself with those people who are speaking ill of Zion. If you have anywhere to complain about behavior Ogechi, must it be in a platform where people are speaking ill of Zion ministry? I am asking you. Must you align yourself with enemies of Zion before you can register your where you have your differences? I am asking you. You got that? So by their fruits we shall know them. We already know who you people are. All the same people, the same WhatsApp group. Oh, no, they recruit into all this. I used to be a Zion minister. Or in my experience, what out to Zion. You don't know what brought you to Zion. You don't know what brought you to Zion. Okay, my fall. You claim to love Kobe, but you hate Zion. What is the crime Zion has done? What is the crime Zion has done? If not to stop people from laying false accusation against Evangelist Kobe, but you are after Ogechi that not lay false accusation against JPAC. But you are not against those who are laying false accusation against Evangelist Kobe. But you have concluded that everything Ogechi nekwu about JPAC was all. But have you also concluded that everything nekwu about Evangelist Kobe nase? Everything nekwu about Zion nase? But you love Kobe, but you hate Zion. You love Kobe, but you hate people who are speaking up for him. Even though he may not respond to where he is, but you are against those people who are responding on his behalf. Yeah? How can you claim to love Jesus Christ, but you hate those who are spreading his message here? You hate those who are defending his gospel here. Efron is your quadro. We are not deterred by all these things on them. Facebook Muruganya. This is not like those days. On Facebook, happy or not fly. We are always here to debunk it. We are always here to debunk and dismantle it. In the motherful. Because whether it's your Saka, or carry head to her, Dalon.